In this video lecture, we will discuss about the structures of amino acids. First of all, we have to see what is these amino acids. Actually, there are three groups of biological polymers that is carbohydrate, proteins and nucleic acids. And आउट ऑफ दीज थ्री ग्रुप ऑफ बायोपॉलीमर्स, क्योंकि ये सारे बायोपॉलीमर्स हैं, जैसे कार्बोहाइड्रेट है वो भी बायोपॉलीमर है, प्रोटीन है वो भी बायोपॉलीमर है, एंड न्यूक्लिक एसिड्स हैं, दीज आर ऑल आर बायोपॉलीमर्स, जिसमें से प्रोटीन्स हैव द मोस्ट डाइवर्स फंक्शन. It act as enzymes, it act as hormones, and it regulate the reaction of body. It is also found in muscles, in tendons of the body. It is also responsible for the outer covering of our body. Another important protein, that is the hemoglobin molecule, that transfer the oxygen to all parts of the body, and also antibodies which provide the protection against a disease. तो ये सभी किस चीज से बनते हैं? ये सभी बने हुए होते हैं प्रोटीन्स के. And the proteins are the polyamides. और उसका जो मोनोमरिक यूनिट होता है दैट इज द अमीनो एसिड्स. तो इस वीडियो लेक्चर में वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट दैट मोनोमरिक यूनिट ऑफ प्रोटीन दैट इज नोन एज अमीनो एसिड. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट द अमीनो एसिड्स. उसके स्ट्रक्चर्स के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे, उसकी स्टीरियोकेमिस्ट्री के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे, एंड देन वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट द preparations of this proteins from the amino acids. Now, this is the structure of amino acid. In this, you can see there is two different function group is present. One is this group. This is the acid group, and this is the amino group, and this is the amino group. So both acid is present as well as amine group is present. That's why it is known as amino acids. And there is the side chain, that is R. R can be anything. This is the side chain present in the amino acids. It can be anything, and one hydrogen is present. So this is the basic part of any amino acid. उसके अंदर एक acid group है, एक amino group है, एक R है जो side chain है, that can be anything, that can be a chain, that can be a cyclic ring and anything. तो जो भी फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज होती हैं दैट विल डिपेंड्स अपॉन दिस साइड चेन, दैट इज द आर ग्रुप. अभी तक करीब 26 अमीनो एसिड्स को सिंथेसाइज किए हुए हैं, जिसमें देर आर ऑलमोस्ट 20 अमीनो एसिड्स. 20 अमीनो एसिड्स आर फाउंड इन ऑलमोस्ट ऑल प्रोटीन पार्ट्स. अभी तक 26 अमीनो एसिड सिंथेसाइज किए हुए हैं, जिसमें से जो 20 अमीनो एसिड्स हैं दीज आर मोस्टली फाउंड इन ऑल प्रोटीन्स. सभी प्रोटीन्स के अंदर ये 20 अमीनो एसिड्स मिलते हैं. सो वी कैन सी दैट दिस इज द एसिडिक ग्रुप, that is COH is the acidic group, and this is the basic group. Amino group is the basic, and both are responsible for its neutrality. क्योंकि एक एसिड है, एक basic group hai, and that's why the amino acids, mostly the amino acids are showing the basic nature. And when we see in dry solid state, amino acids exist in dipolar ion. That is they exist in dipolar ion. Dipolar ion क्या है कि इसमें जो acid group है that is present in as a carboxylate ion. That is not present like COH, but that is present in a carboxylate ion, whereas the amino group that is present in the NH3 form. So due to positive and the negative charge present on this amino acid, they are in the dipolar and this is known as zwitterine. This is known as zwitterine, or sometimes it is also known as internal salt. This is also known as internal salt. इंटरनल सॉल्ट क्यों कहते हैं? क्योंकि इसके अंदर सी के अंदर नेगेटिव चार्ज भी है, पॉजिटिव चार्ज भी है, सो दैट इज नोन एज इंटरनल सॉल्ट and most commonly it is known as zwitterine. So the predominant form of the amino acids present in a solution depends upon the pH of the solution and on the nature of the amino acid. In strong acids, all amino acids are present primarily as a cations and in strongly basic solution they are present as anion. ये हम उसको next videos lecture में सारा discuss करेंगे कि कैसे cationic form में और कैसे anionic form के अंदर equilibrium set करता है. That will depend upon the pH of the solution. There are lots of evidence which are in favor of dipolar ion structure of amino acids. कई ऐसे एविडेंस हैं जो शो करते हैं कि जो अमीनो एसिड्स हैं they remain in the dipolar ion or in the zwitterine form. यानी एक सिंपल अमीनो एसिड्स के अंदर NH2 ग्रुप नहीं मिलेगा और एसिडिक ग्रुप यानी COH के फॉर्म में नहीं मिलेगा, बट दे आर प्रेजेंट एज अ कार्बोक्सिलेट आयन एंड द अमीनो ग्रुप इज प्रेजेंट एज द अमोनियम आयन. तो इसके फेवर के अंदर कुछ एविडेंस हैं जिसको हमें डिस्कस करना है. सो फर्स्ट एंड इम्पॉर्टेंट evidence in favor of this dipolar ionic structure in which this is CO is present in carboxylate ion and this is the present in ammonium ion form and containing this negative charge as well as this positive charge, so it is the in form of a dipolar ion. The first important point, it has high dipole moment of about 10 to 15 d by unit के अंदर इसका जो dipole moment है that is very high. तो अगर डाइपोल मोमेंट है ऑब्वियसली इसके अंदर इट मींस सम सेपरेशन ऑफ चार्ज इज देयर. अगर यहां इसमें देखें, अगर सिंपल एक अमीनो एसिड्स में देखें तो यहां पर कोई सेपरेशन ऑफ चार्ज नहीं है तो इसका कोई डाइपोल मोमेंट नहीं होना चाहिए. बट जो एविडेंस क्या कहते हैं कि जो अमीनो एसिड्स हैं दिस आर प्रेजेंट इन दिस फॉर्म, इट मींस देयर इज सम सेपरेशन ऑफ चार्जेस देयर and if there is the separation of charges there तो उसमें कहीं ना कहीं डाइपोल मोमेंट क्रिएट होगा और इसका जो डाइपोल मोमेंट है वो बहुत ही हाई है, दैट इज अराउंड 10 to 15 dB which indicates the considerable ionic or the dipolar character. Second point, that is it is soluble in water because you know all amino acids which we eat through our diet they are going in our body and dissolve in our body. और हमारा जो बॉडी का पार्ट है that is 70%, almost 70% is water. तो जो भी अमीनो एसिड्स हम खा रहे हैं that should be dissolved in our body in blood, तभी वो प्रोटीन के अंदर कन्वर्ट हो रहे हैं या प्रोटीन जो हम पार्ट ले रहे हैं that will break up into अमीनो एसिड्स. तो इसका मतलब बिकॉज इसका जो हाई डाइपोल मोमेंट है that is responsible for its solubility in water. So these are soluble in water but insoluble in common organic solvents. So ये point भी कि because these are soluble in water and क्यों है? Because they have high dipole moment. High dipole moment क्यों है? Because there is separation of charge. If separation of charge is there, polarity generated, they become soluble in water. So mostly these are insoluble in organic solvents like benzene or alcohols, but these are easily soluble in water. Third point, that is neutral amino acids have very low acidity and basicity constant. Acidity constant and low basicity constant, pKa value of amino acids and pKb value of amino acids. This is for acidity and this is for the basicity. This is for acidity and this is for basicity of amino acids. And it is found कि both pKa value and pKb value, these are very low. अब इनकी जो pKa वैल्यू है या pKb वैल्यू है वो लो क्यों है? Because it is very important to know that this part, as we know, this is acidic. This is acidic, and this part is basic. But in amino acids, the acidity of this amino acids, that is due to this group. जो एसिडिटी है वो CO- यानी कार्बोक्सिलेट आयन से नहीं है, बल्कि that is due to plus NH3 group. So acidity is come out due to this NH3 plus group, and the basicity is come out from CO- group, that is from the carboxylate ion. That's why the pKa value and pKb value is very low. जबकि आना क्या चाहिए था? pKa value that is from CO- यानी कार्बोक्सिलेट आयन से आना चाहिए था, और pKb वैल्यू कहां से आना चाहिए था? NH3 प्लस से आना चाहिए था. बट इसमें क्या है? उल्टा हो रहा है. इसमें जो एसिडिटी आ रही है दैट इज ड्यू टू प्लस NH3 ग्रुप, और जो बेसिसिटी आ रही है दैट इज ड्यू टू कार्बोक्सिलेट आयन. दैट्स व्हाई दे हैव वेरी लो pKa और pKb value. Fourth point regarding the evidence in favor of the dipolar ionic structure, that is spectroscopy, and that is very important tool to find out the various functional groups in any organic compound or inorganic compound. तो यहाँ जो infrared and the Raman spectroscopy है of a neutral solution indicate the presence of only the plus NH3 group and COO- group, यानी कार्बोक्सिलेट आयन और द अमोनियम आयन को ही वो उनका एब्जॉर्प्शन बैंड दिखा रहे हैं, और देयर इज नो एब्जॉर्प्शन बैंड फॉर फ्री COH और फ्री NH2 ग्रुप. यहाँ पर COH ग्रुप का या NH2 ग्रुप का कोई भी there is no band for this acid COH group or simple NH2 group. No absorption band, no bands, or we can say no absorption bands is present for COH group or NH2 group, but we found the absorption bands for NH3 plus and for CO minus. So all these four factors, they are very important to show that the amino acids are present in the dipolar ion or Zwitter ion or in internal salt form, but not simply COH or the NH2 group.